Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 178 of Surah Al-Imran and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم for wow, circle your lips, fatha, open your jaws, la, two counts long. Yeah, for fatha, open your jaws. Yeah, is very soft. And give ha, rakhawa, and the sound is light. ولا يحسبن for fatha, open your jaws, attach it, nun gets powerful gunna. This is akmal gunna. Give a good time here. Banal, and give the wasat on lam, but fatha is very short. La, the two comes long, na short. Ka, for fatha, open your jaws. Ka, and kaf, kaf has no hums here. Ka, fa, hums with fa. For fatha, open your jaws. Or the circle your lips and make it 4 counts long because this is munfasil jais. And Hamza is very sharp. On sharp for fatah, open your jaws, attach it. Noon, you get sifa of akmal gunna. And but fatah is very short. Na short. Ma 2 counts long. 2 counts long. Num for the muscle lips, attach with meme. You will get sifa of tawassud. But as soon as you will touch meme, your lip should be in a straight position. Num, li is 2 counts long. Num, li, lahum, la is short. Hum for the muscle lips. Attach with meme, we will get sifa of tawassut. Lahum, khoy. Khayrul, khay is 2 counts long because it is tanween. Sorry, it is lean. Yeah, and wow. Whenever these are with sukoon, we'll get, and it has fatha before it. This makes, these two combinations make lean, harf lean, and these are 2 counts long, and these are always soft. So this is ya, and before ya there is fatha. That's why it is 2 counts long, and it is lean. You are saying it softly. Khayrulli idgham without gunna. Whenever, so when idgham is in action, when there are this, these are the letters should be there after nun sakin or tanween yarmalum. But among these, if ra or lam will come, these 2 letters have idgham without gunna. So we are not keeping sound in your nose. Urulli for kasra, give e sound. Ikhfa, and this is light ikhfa because fa is among light letters. Fu for the circle lips, the sound is very short. Si for kasra, give e sound. Him for kasra, give e sound, attach with me. We will get sifa afterwards. So in hamza is very sharp for kasra, give e sound, and you're giving gunna, akmal gunna on in for fatha on your jaws. The sound is very short. Ma 2 counts long. Num for the circular lips, attached with meme. Meme will get sifa of the so num. Li is 2 counts long. La fatha upon your jaws. The sound is very short. Hum for the circular lips, attached with meme. Meme will get sifa of the wasut. Li for kasra, give e sound. Yes, yeah, is very soft. For fatha upon your jaws, attached with za. Za will get sifa of rakhawa and safid, and it is light. Yes, this Z sound should be there. That is its safid. Yes, Da is 2 counts long. Do 4 counts long, and circle your lips very nicely. For Dhamma, if for Kasra, give E sound. Hamza is very sharp. Attached with Sa. Sa will get the Khawa, and it is light. If mat. Now you are exchanging the sound of tanween into long vowel of mad, 2 counts long. So when you are exchanging the sound, that's why it is called mad. You are exchanging it out. Huwa for wow for fatha. Open your jaws. For wow, circle your lips. La for lam. Fatha is very short. Huwa la. Hum for the circle your lips. Attach it. Mim gets it off the wasut. I'm from your throat. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is very short. That 2 counts long. Engage right makhraj of dal, and that is touching the lower, the edge of your upper two teeth with your tip of your tongue. The bun, boom, it come with gunna. You're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. Boom. And dhamma on meme is very short. Mu, heen. 4 counts long, because this temporary sukoon which we are giving because of the waqf is changing the 2 counts long vowel into 4, and then we are giving the wasat on noon. Adabun muhin. Ma 2 counts long. Ka 2 counts long. No, noon will be light, but lafz jalala will be heavy, and it is always 2 counts long. No, for the masakul your lips. Li for kasra give e sound. Ya is very light. For fatha open your jaws. Liya the for fatha open your jaws. The sound is short. Rol is heavy. Ra and ra. And if ra is with fatha or dhamma, it is always heavy. Rol give tawassut on lam. Mu for the masakul your lips. Attach with hamza. Hamza when you are attaching meme with hamza. Your lips should be in a straight position for hamza. And me for kasra give e sound. Me 2 counts long. Na for sound is very short. From your throat. For fatha open your jaws. La 2 counts long. Ma 4 counts long. Hamza is very sharp. And this ikhfa is light because ta is among light letters. Tum for the circle lips. Type with meme. Meme will get sick off the wasut. Ain from your throat. For fatha open your jaws. Lay 2 counts long. And this is half lean. Your pronouncing is lightly. He for kasra give e sound. Hat ha is very ha is from your throat. For fatha open your jaws. Attach with ta. Ta has very sharp and shidda letter. So give this shidda here. Hatta 2 counts long. There is no flow of sound whatsoever here in ta. Hatta for fatha open you just the sound is very short. Me 2 counts long. Zel give safi on za and attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Zel kho. And for fatha open you just this the sound is heavy. For kho b is 2 counts long. The for fatha open yours. Me for kasra give e sound. Not noon is light, but ta is heavy, and ta is showing strong quality of shidda. Not and then fatha is very short, and there when you are attaching with ya, you are giving number. A number is a flow, is a jump of sound. When you are attaching to with ya, this is the place where you are creating number. But kasra is very short, and the sound of ya will be very light. Be and then you are giving qalqala on ba, because we are giving temporary sukoon here. Mina tayyib. For wow, circular lips, fatha open your jaws, ma is 2 counts long, ka is 2 counts long, nallahi noon is light, lafz jalal is heavy because there is fatha before it, and it is always 2 counts long, who for the ma circular lips, and the sound is very short. Li for kasra give e sound, yuto for the ma circular lips attached with ta will get sifa of qalqala, and it is heavy. Yuto Li for kasra give e sound, a from your throat for pata open your jaws, kum for the muscle lips attached with meme, you will get sifa of tawassut, your lips should be in a straight position for meme. I'm from your throat for pata open your jaws, lal for pata open your jaws attached with lam, you get sifa of tawassut, ghain is heavy. For fatha open your jaws attached with yeah, this is a harf lean, so give a soft sound, and ghain is heavy, and make it 2 counts long. Lal B for kasra give e sound is very short. Wa for wow, fatha on for wow, circle your lips. Fatha open your jaws. La 2 counts long. Kin for kasra give e sound. Attach it. Noon will get sifa of akmal gunna. Lafz jalala will be heavy here because you can see fatha before it. Innallaha, ha is short. Yaji, for fatha open your jaws. Ya is very light. Jim will get sifa. Jim will get sifa of qalqala. Yaji, ta is very sharp. For fatha open your jaws, the sound is very short. B 2 counts long. Nil, this is idgham without gunna. So your sound should mean your nose at all. Meme is light, but ra is heavy. Whenever ra is with dhamma or fatha, it is always heavy, so it is heavy here. Su, circle your lips here, circle your lips here for dhamma. Li for kasra give e sound. He 2 counts long. May idgham with gunna. May is very soft, and for tha open your jaws. Sha 4 counts long. When you are stopping here, you are giving sukoon on hamza, and whenever there is hamza with sukoon for waqf, and there is mad letter before it, so you will give never here on hamza. Yasha, give hums for fatha open your jaws. The sound is very short. Hamza is very sharp. 2 counts long. Me for kasra give e sound. No, circle your lips and make it 2 counts long. Bil for kasra give e sound. Attach it now. Lafz jalala will be light here because there is kasra before it. Billah, it is 2 counts long. He for kasra give e sound. Wa for wow, circle your lips. Fatha open your jaws. Oru for wa is heavy. For fatha, whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, it is heavy. Oru su for dhamma, circle your lips. Li for kasra give e sound, and give sukoon because of this vak. So ra will get sifa of rakhawa. Oru su li. Wa for circle your lips. Fatha open jaws. Idgham with gunna. Sorry. This is ikhfa. This is ikhfa. Sorry. Yes. Ikhfa, and this is light ikhfa. And two for the masakuli lips. Attached with hamza, hamza will get a very sharp stop because the makhraj cuts away the sound. To me for kasra give e sound. No 2 counts long. For circle your lips, fatha open your jaws. That very sharp sounds of ta. For fatha open your jaws, attached with ta with shidda. Ta, and then the fatha is very short. Ooh, for dhamma, circle your lips and make it 2 counts long. F, give very nice hums. For fatha open your jaws, the sound is very short. La, short. Kum, for dhamma, circle your lips, attached with meme gets it up. Tawassut, aji, hamza is very sharp. For fatha open jaws, jim will get sifa of qalqala. Aji, urun, idhar. And the sifa will be tawassut. Sorry, idhar. Idhar is one. Is that wait? Sit. Idhar and sifa is tawassut. أجر عين for fatha, open your jaws. You're giving temporary sukoon on meme because of the bug. Then this temporary sukoon will change this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts. And this is madarat sukoon. And you are giving tawassut because you found this beam with sukoon. So, أجر عظيم. ما كان الله ليذر المؤمنين على ما أنتم عليه حتى يميز الخبيث من الطيب وما كان الله ليطلعكم على الغيب ولكن الله يجتبي من رسله ولكن الله يجتبي من رسله من يشاء فآمنوا بالله ورسله وإن تؤمنوا وتتقوا فلكم أجر عظيم. ولا for circle ellipse open your jaws. La is 2 counts long. Yeah is very soft. ففتح open your jaws attached with ha will get sifa of rakhawa. Fatha, the sound is very short. Ban for fatha open your jaws attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of kunna. Ban, but no, fatha is very short and being attached with this lam, and lam will get sifa of tawassut when you are attaching this noon with lam. Nal, but fatha is very short. La, the is 2 counts long. Na is very short. Yab, for fatha open your jaws attached with baba will get sifa of qalqala. Yab, kho, kho is heavy. Fatha open your jaws. Lu 2 counts long. Circle your lips. Na short. B for kasra give me sound. Ma 4 counts long. Very sharp sound. 2 counts long. Ta 2 counts long. Who for the circle your lips. Mu give me light but lafz jilala heavy because there is dhamma before it. Mu and it is 2 counts long. Who for the circle your lips. The sound is very short. Near ikhfa, and this is light ikhfa because fa is among light letters. Fatha open your jaws attached with do will get raqawa, it has istitala, it is heavy, it has itbaq, so many things are going on. So li for kasra give he and li e sound and he is 2 counts long. Who for the circular lips, wow for wow circular lips, and for fatha open your jaws. This is lean 2 counts long, make it soft. Kha is heavy. Ra is heavy. And this is idgham without gunna. So you're not keeping sound in your nose. La. For fatha is very short. Hum. For the circular lips attached with meme get sifa off. Tawassut. Hum. Bal for fatha open jaws attached with lam will get sifa of the wasut. Who for the circle lips for wow circle lips for fatha open jaws. Who sharu for fatha open jaws attached with ra will get sifa of the wasut, and then ra is heavy too. Sharul for the circle lips attached with lam will get sifa of the wasut, and then rul la for fatha. The sound is very short. Home for the circle lips attached with meme will get sifa of the wasut. Sa is very short. You for the circle lips sound is very short. You wow for ta is heavy. Fatha open your jaws and give number on wow whenever wow and ya with tashdid they are getting number. Number is a jump up sound. You wow is short. qu, 2 counts long, make qaf heavy, na short, ma 2 counts long, ba short, khi for kasra keep e sound, lu for the circle lips and make it 2 counts long, b for kasra keep he sound, b for kasra keep e sound, he is 2 counts long, yo 2 counts long, and it is light and it is soft, yo mal for fatha when you just attach it, lam and gets it out the wasut. Malqi for kasra give e sound, yeah 2 counts long, mah for fatha open your jaws and give rakhawa on ha, because you're changing this ta into ha when you're stopping, so this ha will get rakhawa, qiyama wa for wow for circular lips for fatha open your jaws, lil for kasra give e sound and make this lafz jalala light because you can find kasra before it. And it is by default, it is 2 counts long. Lillahi, he for kasra get e sound, me 2 counts long. Ra, it is heavy because they with fatha, it is heavy. And it is 2 counts long. Ra, tus. First, you are engaging the makhraj of sa, and that is touching the edge of tip of your tongue to the edge of your upper two teeth. Thus edge and circle your lips very nicely. But as you will touch seen, your tongue will go in and get the position for seen. And seen has rakhawa, it is light, and it has safir. Thus for fatha. Fatha is very short. Ma 2 counts long. Wow. Circle your lips and make it 2 counts long. Watil for kasra give e sound. T. Samawati. Wa for wow. Circle your lips. For fatha open your jaws, attach it with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Wal hamza is very sharp. Fatha open your jaws, attach it. Ra will get sifa of tawassut, and ra is heavy because there is nothing on ra, so we will see the letter before it has fatha. Okay, we will make it heavy. Aru, and dad will get rakhawa, istitala, it is heavy. Why it is getting rakhawa and istitala? Because you will give sakun at the top when it you're giving waqf. Wallahu for fatha open your jaws, for wow circle your lips and attach it lam. Lips jalala will be heavy here because there is fatha before it, and it is 2 counts long by default. Always lips jalala will be long. Who for the circle lips, b for kasra keep e sound, ma 2 counts long, ta for fatha open your jaws, attach with nine gets it off the wasut, and should be from your throat. Ta ma is short. Lu 2 counts long, circle your lips, na short. Kho is heavy, for fatha open your jaws, khabir, ra will be light here, not because of this kasra, but because you give sakun and there is ya before it. This is why this ra is light. Whenever you're giving sab and you see kasra ya before it, that's it, it is light. And ra will get sifa of tawassut. ولا يحسبن الذين يبخلون بما آتاهم الله من فضله هو خير لهم بل هو شر لهم سيطوقون ما بخلوا به يوم القيامة ولله ميراث السماوات والأرض والله بما تعملون خبير. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.